the Kershaw Link. Now, the Kershaw Link isn't a new knife by any means, but I have been carrying it quite a bit, and I do really like it, so I wanted to give my thoughts on it. So first of all, some basic specs. We have a blade length of just under 3¼ inches, and that's measured from the tip of the blade to the forwardmost portion of the handle scales. And we have a weight of 4.1 ounces, but that is without the pocket clip. I actually removed the pocket clip because I've been carrying this knife loose in my pocket. The knife is short enough closed that it does carry well in the pocket loose. I've found that knives longer than this closed tend to be awkward when carried in the pocket. Another factor aiding in loose pocket carry is the speed safe, which provides positive blade retention. I know that most people are not a fan of speed safe, but I am a fan. To me, it provides all the benefits of an auto without all the drawbacks of an auto, and it only adds one moving part to the knife. The handles on this variant are constructed of glass-filled nylon. I've carried them in my pocket with my keys, and they don't show any scratches or wear, which I'm surprised at. They seem to be quite durable. The ergonomics are quite good in my opinion. The only fault that I can find is that near the lanyard hole, the upper edge of the handle is rather square, and it kind of digs into my palm sometimes. So I wish they would just get rid of the lanyard hole and make this area of the knife more rounded. In terms of price, I paid just over $25 for this knife from Amazon, which is an awesome price for a knife made in the USA with such good quality. If you are going to disassemble the knife, be sure to use a soldering iron on the screws at approximately 500 degrees F or 250 degrees C. Kershaw puts pretty heavy thread locker on the screws, and they really have to do that because the assisted opening does have a lot of kick and tends to work screws loose. If you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear from you, so please comment below. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, and share. I'd like to thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye now.